If your breakout strategy is not working out for you, that's probably because you're merely relying on technical analysis. And here's a strategy that combines both technical and fundamental analysis for trading low cap stocks. So for this strategy, you need a stock screener. I'm going to be using this stock screener for reference. I'm going to go into tools, then create my own stock screener. I'm going to be mainly looking for 3 parameters. First one is market capitalization. When the market cap is low, the breakout is more easily to happen. So I'm going to be looking for a stock that has a market cap below 15,000. Second of all, the promoter holding. If we find a stock that has 70% plus promoter holding, this reflects confidence of the founders of that stock in this company that they've created. Third, I want to see an FII, or also known as foreign international investor, more than 3%. This presents the company as it is well recognized internationally, or at least have some presence, and some foreign investors are interested in that company. Now, when these parameters are there, I'm going to be searching through all these companies that align with the parameters I want. Then I will check the chart for a potential breakout. We'll appreciate if you drop a like, share, and feel free to drop a comment about the strategy or a certain strategy that you'd like to know more about in the future.